Stand out from the crowd. Our floating address numbers create a shadow effect. Try aiming a focal light on them for a nighttime visual effect. Easy installation. Install in minutes. Spacers and screws are made of durable, rust-resistant stainless steel. Also available in 4 size, our floating address numbers are available in several colors and 2 different sizes. Flexibility. Mount vertically, horizontally or at an angle to suit your own creative style. Can be installed with spacers for a 3-dimensional effect or without for a flat look. Black aluminum. Reduce the chance of missed deliveries or lost visitors with these large wall-mounted address numbers. Top reviews from the United States. Stylish and sturdy numbers. Loved how the hardware goes through the number so it's extra secure. We replaced other floating numbers that fell apart. Love how these turned out.